Are you fly snoring?
Now Ethan, now like go back. You don't have to hold him to the building. Now like fly.
Oh yeah, put your arms straight ahead. Like towards the building. Yes.
And like have your legs up here.
Yes.
Wait, let me just.
But your cape fell off.
Your cape.
Oh, there you go. That's good.
Now like go this way. And just like on your side. And just go up. Alright, that's good. That's good.